Desperoso pa dito.
Pipicture ka?
Hindi, nagbibigyo.
What do you got for us? Tell us what you got.
Oh, the local seafood. It's using a bunch of local mangoes, native mango seafood. I got the most squishy mangoes I can find. You know, I pick mangoes. So it's really good. That's some rest. One of the squishy ones is sweeter. So a bunch of squishy mangoes. Some beef chops. Some
Akin na yun, yung nasa... Ay, bawal ba yan yung nasa baso? Bawal ba yan yung nasa baso? Bawal ba yan nasa baso?
mango nectar. And then
Pinipicture pa na.
Ah, okay.
Pwede ko ma-picture sa harap.
for your